4 cars in 2 months. I made like 4 bands every week. Shrimp and lobster all I eat. A lot of niggas envy if they get the chance to kill me. So I'm ducked off clearly. I keep them fake niggas from near me.
Alright, so today's topic we're going to talk about is how to use your credit to make money. How to use your credit to start a business. You know, you got the Airbnbs popping, you got the rental game popping, all around the rental game is popping. So if you look at the world, and when I sat back and looked, like, okay, if I want a car that costs like $20,000-$30,000, I got to use my credit. If I want to get a mortgage instead of having rent, I got to use my credit. Anything that costs a lot, you got to have credit. So I said, you know what, let me work on my credit and get my credit right. And you know, you can do the authorized user thing, the trade line thing. You know, I talked about it in previous videos, how it can help you and you can use it to your benefit. So first thing first, you got to have an idea though, the plan. You got to be able to plan it. Like myself, how I did, you know, after I got my credit booming, used what I used and slapped a few AUs and different stuff on there. Then the rental game, like I said, the rental game. Let's go back to the rental game. You can go rent out jet skis. Like, you don't have to just go pay cash for jet skis. You can go finance you some jet skis. You finance the jet skis and then you rent them out now. Now you got you an asset, because this that you're spending your money on every month is paying for itself and you're making money off of it. So say for instance, you go spend $10,000 or $14,000 on a jet ski. You renting it out for $100. Well, $100 an hour is what they're going for. If you're going in the right area, you know, $100 an hour. I like to make sure that they keep them all day though. That way, I'm not going back and forth throughout the day. Shit, and going to pick them up and drop them off. I'd rather them just rent them out for hella hours, like 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, whatever they want to do. So all day, like, you know what I'm saying, do a discount type thing. That way it's less work, shit. So you can do the jet ski rental. The Airbnbs, that's another good way. And the cool thing about the Airbnb game is you don't even have to own a house. You don't have to own it. You don't have to get a house loan. You can be doing it off a rental property, you know. Make sure it's cool, of course. Talk to them about it, and do the rental thing as far as you rent it out for, say, $2,500 a month, $3,000 a month. Then you Airbnb it out. You get your SEO team, and you get it on the apps, and you're in the top 5 on the apps, and you Airbnb in a rental house, a property that you just paying rent on. And in 1 week, from the jet skis to the Airbnb, it's all gonna pay for itself in 1 week. The other 3 weeks, all profit. Well, minus the you know, the insurance and the different little maintenance and keeping the maintenance up as far as on whatever you've written out, of course, you know, but still all profit for the other 3 weeks, or if not 2 weeks. But you just gotta have your promotion game right. You can't think you gonna promote it and do it. No, go hire somebody to do this who professionally knows how to do it if you want to see the best results. Then what we got? We got the rental game as far as the Airbnbs, the jet skis. You can use your personal car now on Turo, the Turo app. You know, and you can rent out your personal car. If you got, some people be having 2 or 3. Like me, I got 4 cars. So, like, if you ever just chooses to, you can rent out your personal cars through the Turo app and charge your own price. You get to make your own price. You know, $100 a day if you want to, $80. You know, it depends on the car, type of car you have. It's so many different ways like that you can make money out here. So that's why I don't get why people aren't taking advantage of these avenues. I know everybody don't think the same, but all you got to do is come with a plan and an idea and pursue it. You know, then you get the bags. So the rental game, back to the rental game, how to use the credit to leverage money. So when you have good credit and you have proof of finances, you can actually get a loan. A lot of people do a lot of things and mess their credit up over small amounts of money, like getting phones. Like, you know what I'm saying? I did that before. When I was young, I did that. That was the stupidest shit I ever did. But I ain't know no better. So I did that, but the credit is your key. So you can get the loans, and you take a loan out. Take a loan out. If you're gonna take a loan out, take a loan out and start something with it. Make sure whatever you spend that money on from the loan, that you're gonna make more money back. You know, it's pointless to get money that you have to pay back, and then not you spend it on something that is gonna make you money. That's like pointless to me. So you want to make sure that whatever you put your money into, you're gonna see your money back. Scared money don't make money. If you gotta take chances, like take some chances.